Okay people, Enigma here, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make that kind of noise sound effect while AWP shots or any weapon. First you have to download that sound. I will put the link on the description, and now I'm gonna open the Vegas project. Okay, this is the song, this is the AWP shot from the video you just saw, and now you have to drop the sound effect to Vegas. Okay, press Ctrl to slow down the sound. Right click, properties. My English is not too good, so try to follow my steps, okay? Let's put maybe 5. Now just let lower a little bit of the sound, like maybe 4.5, yeah. Okay, press this button. Now it's going to show you this window. You have to press 1, 2, 3 and 4 and put the settings that I'm showing right now. You have to pause the video to see that. And you're done! Let's see the video again without the sound effect and with the sound effect. It's done. All you have to do is that. It's simple. Okay, I finished my part, now it's your turn. Please guys, like the video, favorite, share with your friends if you want. And you guys have this new series I'm making on my channel, FlashBang Kills. It's really funny, you guys should see that. And you have top 5 fails as well. Every episode I'm making I'm submitting to Enigma, so if you want appear there, send me funny actions. Could be on mix, war, public servers, I don't care, I want funny actions. Hope you enjoy this tutorial, and I'm done!